I'm Shalmoli and I'm going to tell you certain things that you must remember while blogging. Number 1. Frequent updates. Researchers have found that updating your blog 2 to 3 times per week is effective and realistic. You will see return in the form of increased sales and more traffic in your website. Number 2. Informal language. In addition to being clearer, informal language increases the connection between the reader and the writer. It also enhances the traffic and the more number of audiences in your website. Number 3. Engaging topics. Topics such as travel, how-tos, health and fitness, personal development are examples of engaging topics. These topics interest the audience and make them come and visit your website frequently. Number 4. Scope for audience to share their point of views. A good commenting system attracts users to comment in the blog and it also improves the user interaction. Tell us if these pointers helped you to start your blog.